Welcome to AwesomeCare. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a simple Python code to automate blocking an IP address using the Windows Firewall with Python. So first, we are going to import SubProcess. This module allow you to spawn new processes, connect to their input-output error pipe, and obtain their return code. It is useful for executing shell commands from within Python. Now we are going to define a function on block IP. This function takes a single argument IP, which represents the IP address that you want to block. Then we are going to have a command. So this command, we are going to use netsh. This is a command line scripting utility for Windows that allows you to display or modify the network configuration of the local computer. Advanced firewall, add rule, name. Advanced firewall add rule. This part of the command tells the firewall to add a new rule. And names value set to block IP sets the name of the rule to something descriptive like a block, and this is the IP address over here. And directories value set to in specifies that the rule applies to incoming traffic. Action set to block indicates the action is to block traffic from this IP. Then the remote IP and its value set to IP specifies the remote IP address to be blocked. Executing the command now. So, SubProcess run. This function executes the command constructed earlier. Command over here. Shell value set to true. This allows the command to be executed through the shell, which is necessary for using command like netsh. And now just a confirmation message. This line prints a confirmation message to the console indicating that the specified IP address has been blocked. And now main. Suspicious IP. You can adjust its value as needed. So this sets the IP address you want to block. You can modify this as needed. So block IP, pass in suspicious IP. Block IP, and we passed in a suspicious IP. Calls the block IP function and passing the suspicious IP address to it. So this code automates the process of blocking an IP address using a Windows Firewall. It constructs a command to add a rule that blocks incoming traffic from the specified IP and executes that command using the SubProcess module. The print statement confirms the action. You need to run this code as an admin. So let's run our script. And here is the IP, the block, and the IP address. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.